Bali Bird Park is one of the very interesting attractions in Ubud district, where people see a lot of birds from all over the world. And also the park has very green trees, especially palm tree, also from all over the world. It's very green with thousands of birds from all over the world. Yes, here the place where we can see many flamingos, and they live widely here in this park. The restaurant of Bali Bird Park is situated in a tropical forest. It looks very beautiful and very nice and fresh inside. Peacock. It's the peacock in the Bali Bird Park. Pelican. These birds are gorgeous with a big mouth. They also live wildly in this park. Cassowary birds stay in the corner. Pelican bird. Very nice green garden. Here they are again, flamingos.
Lagi rebutan makanan.
Komodo dragon in Bali Zoo Park.